Did you know that in Korea there is a secret to eliminate the anosogenic furrow and work the facial oval? Stay and I'll show you the secret of the Korean triangle. I'm Ruben Sands, and today I'm going to make you notice your face firmer, and we're going to work on perfecting your facial oval. Let's go with the first one. Let's go with the first exercise, which is called oriental puffing. And it's going to work the zygomaticus major and minor muscle, which is the one that works the whole part of the cheekbones as well. How would it be? Very easy. We are going to fill the musculature. We are going to fill all the cheekbones, and we are going to take them out little by little, supporting the hands. First, we fill a little bit from one side to the other 10 times, and then we release. We are going to repeat this 5 times. We are going to do it. It is also important that you do this and release the oriental puff little by little. Let's go with the second one. With this exercise, we are going to reaffirm the cheekbones, and we are also going to reduce the whole part of the furrow. So it is very good for this area. Second exercise, we're going to work on the part of the buttocks. And we are going to do a Korean resistance technique. How do we do it? Well, we're going to kind of provoke a smile, and we're going to try to hold it. Okay, then we smile here. No need to show teeth, no need to do this. You don't need to do this much, but you do need to stretch the skin a little bit. And the most important thing, where we're going to place the fingers. We're not going to stick them in, but what we're going to try to hold it. We're going to leave it for about 5 to 10 seconds, as long as you can hold it, and we're going to repeat it 5 times. We're going to do it. Perfect. That would be the feeling. Remember, here. This exercise is going to help us with the upper lip, okay? And also, a little bit also, the facial oval, the shape of the face. The facial oval, defined as the shape outlining the face, is particularly noticeable around the jaw and chin. Factors like sagging and collagen loss can cause this contour to appear blurred. A quick fix is the Korean lifting trick, which smoothens and lifts the skin through targeted massages in just a few minutes. So notice that we are here massaging the face, reducing a little bit of wrinkles. And with all the rain, with all the nature, we are covered with a good temperature. On a little bit warm, and as we want to work a little bit warm, we are going to work the heart, and in this case, the Korean heart. Korean heart. The Korean heart, how are we going to work it, and what is it like? It is one of the parts of what we have said about the triangle, and we are going to work it by putting the chin, the thumbs, with a little bit of oil under the chin. Remember that we are working on the facial oval. And here, okay, and this would be on the cheekbones. We're going to do it here, as if we're putting a heart together. And we're going to go up, important. This pressure, it has to be much softer, the pressure from the bottom than from the top. Oh, but marking a little bit the contour of the face. We are going to do this for 10 times and always upwards, always trying to stretch and elevate the skin, and the musculature also work. We do it. We come here, heart. And we continue a little bit towards the temples. And what benefits will this also have? Well, look, it will reduce the double chin a little bit, it will redefine a little bit the facial oval, and it will also work on the furrow. So it is a perfect exercise. Perfect. The next exercise that we are going to do to work on the anosogenic sulcus and the facial oval is an activation, okay? A Korean smile with tongue. So how are we going to smile with the tongue? Well, I'll explain it to you perfectly. Look, it's going to be quite easy, huh? I will explain and then demonstrate the following steps. Firstly, create a smile. Next, position the tongue right below the upper teeth, not directly on the palate. Apologies for the confusion. It should be placed behind the upper teeth. Let's now practice this together. Hey, and from there, what we are going to do is to start working a little bit, as if we wanted to force the smile a little bit, about 10 times. Until we stop, and we are going to do it another 10 times. At a given moment, you do 5. Okay, but we repeat it 5 times. 10, but 5 times repeated, okay? Remember that these exercises are also do them if you can in the morning and in the evening, that you do not go in the morning to do the exercises, and consistently for at least 2 or 3 weeks. Let's do the Korean smile with tongue, and I'll get on with it. Okay? You smile and we stop. I imagine you've noticed it. It mobilizes quite a bit, and as you squeeze your tongue a little bit, and it's a little gesture, okay? I repeat. Tongue. Obviously, it's going to work, all of this, because it's going to work. All the musculature of the muscles of the face, of the cheekbones, right? It will also work the chin area and the area of the south. That is very, very good exercise. And let's go to the last one. And the last exercise, what we are going to do is to smooth and redefine a little bit the facial oval, so we are going to work all the surfaces upwards, okay? It's going to work a little bit on the lymphatic system. And it's going to work a little bit on eliminating coughing, both things. Oh, let's go with it, okay? I'm going to put a little bit of oil on because there has to be a lot of displacement. Without the skin moving, that's right, eh? We can't do this. So watch what we're going to do. If you warm up a little bit, almost better. Warm hands. Perfect. And what we are going to do is to move from the chin, right, with the palm, towards the temples, and then from the letter of the nose, from the outside, towards the temples. Let's start with this one, okay? We're going to repeat it 5 times. All right? We're going to do it 5 times. And then we're going to do it 5 times, okay? 5 times, okay? We are going to do it here. And the second exercise is from here. With the fingers. And it would be the last exercise that we have done of the Korean trick. Look at all the tricks that I've taught you today. In nature, with this rain, with this feeling, I want you to stay too. And like, subscribe. And bell. Until healing and beyond.